Backing up a tablet is a little more complicated than you might think compared with taking action for a PC. Anyway, we shall teach you several fabulous methods to make it a lot easier. Way 1. How to back up Android tablet to PC or Mac via Android Backup and Restore. If you'd like to maintain a backup of your Android tablet on a computer, Mobikin Backup Manager for Android Win and Mac, a full-featured Android backup and restore tool, is undoubtedly included at the top of your tool list. Run the program on a PC or Mac and connect the device. Select the data types you want to back up. Then arrange a location on this computer to house the stuff. Finally, click Backup to save Android tablet files onto this computer. Way 2. How to back up Android tablet to computer via Assistant for Android. Mobikin Assistant for Android Win and Mac is surely your smart choice. This all-in-one product supports such data types as contacts, call logs, apps, SMS, music, photos, videos, books, and more. This tool also allows you to back up Android phones in batches. To do it, go to the software's Super Toolkit, Backup. Pick your wanted data categories, Backup. Way 3. How to back up Android tablet to PC via Autoplay. Autoplay on Windows lets you back up tablet photos, videos, music, and documents to the machine. Before the backup, please ensure the option is enabled on your PC. Way 4. How to back up Android tablet to Google Drive. You can avail of Google Drive to upload photos and videos to the cloud storage manually, and this service also lets you perform automatic backup after easy configuration. Way 5. How to back up Android tablet to Google Photos. As another Google subservice, Google Photos can help you with backup tasks. However, since Google has ceased free unlimited high-quality media storage recently, you may have to delete dispensable photos and videos before enabling the backup. Way 6. How to back up Android tablet to flash drive. Do you wish to copy your phone's camera or downloads folder to a portable storage device like a USB disk? Need to make the copy easier before a factory reset? All of this can be done with the assistance of a data manager like Files by Google.